Have you ever thought of educating your customer via video? We're going to offer some tips on how to best do this. Next.
This video is sponsored by ProFirst. Visit our websites for more information.
It seems some collision repairers have caught on to the video craze today, posting videos on YouTube to uncover bad repairs and educate customers on their rights. Videos can pack an especially big punch even when it's solely posted and shared on the internet. While TV spots still present great value for some body shops, video content is very engaging for people, and you can distribute it for a lot less money online. But TV commercials should not be counted out entirely. They often work in symbiosis with social media. Humorous TV commercials can plant the seeds of awareness with hundreds of thousands of consumers and have the potential to go viral on YouTube and other social media platforms. Educational videos back up that initial awareness with an air of authority and expertise for consumers to see once they're in need of collision repair and in the decision-making process. In addition to being low cost, posting a video on YouTube can boost your company's search ranking on Google because YouTube is owned by Google. One collision repair facility has posted videos on topics like insurance policies, steering, and consumers' rights after an accident. They've also posted some case study videos of post-repair inspections. Video is also a great way to educate customers on OE certification. The secret to success with video is to make sure they stay fresh by consistently putting out new content. And keep in mind that not every video needs to be a huge production. Some can be in-house and others can be more elaborate productions. Try educating your customer via video. You'll be surprised at the impact. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.